And also, working out is like I want because I feel always so much better and more confident. So this might be the perfect time to build habits and maintain them. Habits are behaviors that we perform automatically, allowing us to carry out essential activities such as brushing teeth or taking a shower. And of course, we can add new things to do in our morning and evening routine to feel better and feel healthier. Things you could do to implement into your morning routine would be to not close your curtains completely, to wake up easily. Don't use your phone until you finish breakfast, because using your phone in the morning makes you feel really lazy. Be mindful in the morning. Journal or write about 3 things you are grateful for and what you could do today for yourself to feel great. Or if you have the motivation, work out. Alright, so the workout was hard, but I did it! Yay! And also, working out is like I want because I feel always so much better and more confident in my body, and it's super. Start your day with food that makes you feel great and confident. For example, I love to eat oatmeal with some fresh berries. Here I made some gingerbread oatmeal with cherry sauce and hazelnuts. Or in the colder days, I also like to eat breakfast. But I also like to eat smoothies. And now let's talk about the power of music. Music can make you super motivated, but it can also take you down. Change and explore your music and find new genres. Make playlists for different moods, also for after the lockdown. And just play your favorite song and dance to it. Get fresh air. Being at home all the day can make you feel very sad and you start to overthink everything. So go outside, absorb the fresh air and its possibility of making you positive-minded, happy, relaxed and creative. Dress up. Always being in your pajama is super comfortable, I know. But after a long time, you almost forget how it was to look at the mirror and love your outfit and your makeup. If you don't know what to do, try new makeup styles and a hairstyle you never tried before. Try things you wouldn't be comfortable enough to wear in public, and maybe you find some new style to go out of your comfort zone and you just feel better. Make breaks. Everyone is freaking out about being productive, but it's also productive to take a break, to take care of yourself and to do things you always wanted to do. Be creative, go for a walk, make yourself a nice tea, meditate or try yoga. When you practice yoga, you build strength, awareness and harmony in both the mind and the body. I love to do it in the mornings and whenever I feel overwhelmed. You don't need to do it a long time. Only 5 minutes can help you to feel a lot better. Just do it to free your mind, not to perform great, to look great or whatever else. Reduce your screen time. I know, this can be really hard, but think about how much time you spend on your phone. Do you really want to spend thousands of hours in your life scrolling through the highlights of other lives? Try to implement content in your life which inspires you, and unfollow Insta accounts who make you feel like your body and you are not enough and your life is boring. Delete Instagram and other social media platforms for short periods, like a week, and you will feel the difference. Stay in touch with your friends. If you are alone or always with the same people, you can easily forget how it was. When I haven't seen my friends for a long time, I started to analyze every aspect of our friendship. And I even had doubt about it sometimes, because I started to overthink everything they've said wrong, and I imagined about them being toxic even if they just said their opinion, and I felt triggered by it. So call your friends and talk with them about whatever you want to talk. And maybe you could also tell them about the triggers you felt when they said something, and that strengthens your friendship even more. And at the end, I want to say you to not stress yourself too much. It's okay. If you weren't that productive today or yesterday, it's okay. If you haven't done your morning routine today like you wanted to. It's okay if you were too long on your phone, and it's also okay if you didn't exercise today. The times aren't easy, so allow yourself to not reach all your goals every day. Remember, no matter what happens, you have always given your best. It's all about balance and changing step by step. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope you liked it. Bye!